Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something new for you. I have this ragged, we call it ragged hair. It's a crochet and I will show you in a few how to make it and which braid you're going to use, okay? So here we are. I have this braid. It's called Cherish. So I'll be cutting it into 6 pieces. These six pieces that I've just cut, I'll be putting them round. Okay. So let's start parting the hair first, and then we put the lines. I'm gonna do inner lines first. So I have to part the halfway like that, and then I have to part this one here, and I'll be just doing the normal lines from back going upward. It's just simple lines. So after making this one here, I'll have to make the front ones. So like this, the front one, they're just straight, and then I'll have to join these strands here. So I need to join them like that. You just have to plait it going to the middle there. And then after that, you have to knit them like that. And so let's start. I'm using this crochet. So I have to lay my crochet down the line. And I have to close it, then I pull. So I'm using this method to fold it. That way. So you place your needle down, pull it, then you continue just like that. So guys, I'll be showing you the other side, another design of this crochet, how you need to tie them. Okay, so here this I'm using this thinner crochet. So after placing it and pressing like that or pulling like that, so I have to bring it in, and then I have to do like that way. Let me do another sample so that you can see it clearly. This one is also a nice sample you can use. You place your needle down, and then you place the braid, and then you pull that way. You can use your fingers to fold it. So you bring inside like this, and then you have to turn this one this way, and then you bring also inside, and then you pull like that. You see, it locks so tight that it can't even move. So even if you comb, it will still remain like that. Okay, so you can choose the either of the two styles, which one you want to use, or you can even mix when you're making this ragged crochet. Okay, so this one was the first one, huh? So let's continue. For this design of crocheting, or this design of hair, you can use different types of braids. Yeah, you can use Afro kinky if you have it. You can use the money braid. You can use many that they are closer to that. Okay, like this one is cherish. So you can choose any that is that can make the style to be a little bit puffy. Yeah, so for this one is very light, that after crocheting the whole head, you can't even feel like there's something on the head. Yeah, so you can choose any braid that you want that I've mentioned there, or you can use the one that you see it's good. Okay, so that's how it is. So I'll be going like that as I mix some. I'm using two different types of folding the hair. I'm using the first one I told you, which is this one here, and then I'm also using the second one. Yeah, which you have to fold that way. So guys, after reaching here, see this part here, so I'll be using the braid. I have to cut it into 4 pieces. Okay, good. So after finishing that, now it's time to trim. So you have to part this side here, left and right side. You part it that way, and then you start trimming first the top ones that are there. So you have to trim them first, and after trimming them, you have to levelize it to be like a haircut. Okay, So you part again this side as you trim. You can trim to bring the design you want, as far as you know what you are looking for, okay? But for those who are learning to trim, you can use this design first before you know a lot with the trimming and so. So at the back here, I have a short part like that, and then I'll have to trim. And you have to be very careful with the neck of your client and the ears. So that way. If you don't know how to trim, don't start down trimming. You start first the upper part. So after coming here, this one at the center here, I have to levelize that way as I trim. That way. So it's like that, yeah, even here in front. So you have to make it like you're comping or you're pulling it, and then you continue trimming it. So that's first round. So second round, you have to go again, smoothening it to the lower part, I mean to the level you want. So at the back here, we have just smoothen just a little bit. You just use your hands to comb it. All right. So that's how it is. So I have to trim to smoothening, trimming like that as I go, to bring to the shape that I want, okay? So guys, that's how it looks. So remember, comping, you just have to use your hands to comb it. So that way, if you want it to be too rough, then you can use the crochet, not crochet, I mean dreads rubber brush, okay? So that's how it is. So guys, any question, you can leave it under the comments, And so now, have a good time. Bye bye.